Okay, down to our sample problem number 3. So, ang motorcycle has a deceleration of negative 0.001 s meters per second squared and its speed of at position A, so yung speed diri, V sub A is equal to 25 meters per second. Determine the magnitude of its acceleration when it passes point B. So, pila yung magnitude of acceleration at this point. Okay, let's write the given problems here. So, na nakabutang diri nga 90 degrees. This is a circle. So, kung 90 degrees gani, this is a quarter circle. So, motorcycle has a deceleration. So, it has a negative acceleration equal to negative 0.001 s. Unit is in meters per second squared. Speed at position A, so we write V sub A is equal to 25 meters per second. Determine the magnitude of the acceleration. So we have the rho here, 300 meters. So the magnitude of acceleration at B. So if you notice, ang ato ang tangential acceleration is not a constant acceleration. It changes with position S. So earlier nagamit tag T because it changes with time, kaniyang gi-denote diri nga function. Acceleration changes with S. So S is just here. It's the distance, the arc length. So unsaon man ni nato? So if it is not a constant acceleration, then ato tong gamiton, di ba? Kato natay acceleration is equal to the derivative of velocity with respect to time. Natay katong velocity is equal to derivative of position with respect to time. Now, unsa may relationship nga magamit nato nga si A, si acceleration is naa si S. And then, so this is the tangential acceleration na si S. So if you remember the third one katong na-derive nato natay v dv or velocity times the derivative of the velocity is just equal to the acceleration times the derivative of the position. Okay. So magnitude of its acceleration. So kung ano yung tangential acceleration, we need the normal acceleration. So, di ba, ang formula na to sa normal acceleration is v squared over rho. We do not have the v. So, si tangential o si velocity is na a relationship. Therefore, we need to get the function or the formula for the velocity. Okay, let's start. So, ito ang tangential acceleration is equal to negative 0.001 s. So, natin nga ning relationship. V dv equals to A, which is equal to negative 0.001 s ds. Integrating both sides. So this is, ang initial velocity is 25. It is not 0. So I will put here 25 meters to final V. And then initial position at A is, that is of course 0 to S. So the integral of V dV is just equal to 1/2 V squared from 25 to V. And then the integral of this one is just equal to negative 0.001 over 2 s squared from 0 to s. So if you notice na ay 1/2 diri, then we can cancel this para mas dali na lang atong pag-solve. So v squared from 25 to the velocity and then negative 0.001 s squared from lower limit 0 to upper limit s. Atong i-finalize ang formula. Yeah, v squared minus 25 squared equals to negative 0.001 s squared. So, mani atong kuan. Function at v. So, v squared is just equal to 25 squared minus 0.001 s squared. Again, kinanglan nato og v squared over rho. So, natay rho, 300 meters radius, but you don't know the v squared. So, ang unsa may buhaton na to para ma-solve na to si v squared. That is s. So, naa si s. S is the position. So, pila ang distance ni A paingon ni B? Again, this is a circle. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So 2 pi times pila. So this is the distance, 2 pi r. So radius is 300. Again, 2 pi r is a whole circle. And then this is only 1/4 of the circle or quarter. So that's why you divide it with 4. So ang position or distance traveled ni motorcycle from A to B is equal to 2 pi times 300 divided by 4 is equal to 471.239 meters. So you already have the value of S. We can substitute this value here. So ato ang velocity, square of the velocity is equal to 25 squared minus 0.001. Then square of this one, 471.239 squared. 25 squared minus 0.001 times 471.239 squared. We have solving this value. We have 25 squared minus 0.001 times 471.239 squared. We have the square of the velocity. V squared is just equal to 402.934 meters squared per second squared. So, kani siyang value. Ma-substitute na to here. So, ang ato ang normal acceleration, A sub n is just equal to ang V squared, naka V squared naman ni Dan. So, ato lang ibutang 402.934 over ang radius na to equals to 300. So, our normal acceleration is just equal to 402.934 divided by 300. Ang acceleration is 1.343 meters per second squared. Again, magnitude of acceleration. So, naan na tayo normal nga acceleration. But we still don't ato sa isolve ang tangential acceleration. Substitute na itong value man ni S. So, tangential acceleration, A sub t is just equal to negative 0.001 times S. S na to is 471.239. And ito ang tangential acceleration is just equal to negative 0.001 times 471.239. That is negative 0.471, of course, 239 meters per second squared. Finally, we can solve for the magnitude of the acceleration. So, magnitude of the acceleration is just equal to square of the tangential acceleration, negative 0.471239 squared, plus square of the normal acceleration, 1.343 squared. And we have the magnitude of the acceleration equal to negative 0.471239 squared plus 1.343 squared. 1.423 meters per second squared. So this is our answer for sample problem number